Boom bang! Reality check, man, from your device. You know it's a unique one, aromatic realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, without any further ado, Education Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information, Dana Dixon Morris, double down on the Jamaica Labour Party decision to readmit George Wright. The Education Minister, double down on a woman beater, telling Jamaica that it is okay for redemption. So George Wright go seek counsel and him seeking God and him redeem. And he's now okay to serve back in our parliament. Bear it in mind, So this woman named Dana, she's the head of our education system, And your little 9 or your 8-year-old, or your 10 or your 16-year-old daughter, they watch the TV. And say, this woman is stated that it is okay for a man who was captured and flim. They give a woman nothing but some fish. And when that wasn't enough, the man take a stool and trash out upon the woman. And the Minister of Education, who have we youth them future in our hand, is telling our kids them that it is okay for a grown man to trash out a stool upon a woman. Without any further ado, let me show you the clip so you can hear for yourself. Take it away.
Information Minister Dr. Dana Morris Dixon has doubled down on the Jamaica Labour Party's decision to readmit George Wright as a member of the party. Speaking at today's post-cabinet press briefing, Dr. Dixon said she believes in redemption and second chances. She also stressed that while domestic violence is a serious matter, attempts are being made to politicize the issue.
Redemption is important. And in our country, we've always been that kind of a country that believed that there are second chances. And when we talk about domestic violence, it's really a very complex matter because invariably you have issues in relation to what persons would have experienced growing up, what they would have seen in their communities, what may seem normal to them.
On Tuesday, the People's National Party's Women's Movement held a press conference blasting the JLP for readmitting Wright. They also called for the party to explain what kind of mitigative measures were held with him. Wright was caught in the middle of controversy in 2021 after a man was seen in a video beating a woman with a stool.
Discuss these matters with other women who have experienced this kind of violence. It is something we have to address, but it's not one that you address solely from the standpoint of the woman. You also have to address it from the standpoint of the males who may be involved, and you have to do the counseling. And in this case, there was
what can go so.
Now, you see why we have to get rid of this kind of garbage. You see why we have to get rid of this garbage. At this, the head of the Ministry of the Education, we pitney them future in a freedom hand, and she they tell for daughter them say it is okay for a man trash out a stool pan you. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, without any further ado, we will play back the clip again with George Wright and show you what Dana Dixon Morris, the Minister of Education, is defending. When we show you again, take it away.
And he was basically attacked by her punch hit with shoes and she used a stool to damage his skin. That's the essence of the report he made.
Right. So he's in a sense, is he saying self-defense?
Redemption.
It's either he wasn't aware that the thing was being recorded.
This is what
or
the Ministry of Education doubling down on.
And what's happened since with your investigations?
This is what the Andrew Holness Administration support.
Returned to give a statement. The lady gave a report, made a report that the actual.
Him go take up the stool there now.
She has not returned.
Stool that. Eh?
And what have the police done?
We have found.
This is what the Andrew Holness Administration is defending. A grown ass man. They beat a woman with a stool. When me tell you, say we have to get rid of them, we have to get rid of them. Because if we not get rid of them, Jamaica finish, finito, it done. It go wipe off of the map. Just think about a person who have for your pitney them future in them hand. And him go look on your daughter and tell your daughter say it is okay for a man to beat her with a stool. Education Minister Dana Morris Dixon. Education skills, youth and information double down on the Jamaica Labour Party decision to readmit George Wright. She said redemption is important. And in our country, it is always been that kind of country that we believe that there is a second chance. And when we talk about domestic violence, it is something we have to address. But it is not one that you address solely from the standpoint of a woman. You have to look upon it now in a the man point of view as well. So she want me to go broke up my imaginary mind and wonder what the woman do George Wright. We have to look upon it at the man point of view as well. We don't see the woman do George Wright nothing. At George Wright, we see the trash out stool upon him. So how come redemption coming in at this for George Wright? And want to tell you that people are trying to politicize this. Where politicize coming in at this? A grown ass man who say him in a parliament as a MP. They give a woman nothing but some fist. And when that not suit him, in trash out one stool upon the woman. And the education minister who is in charge of our youth, them future, the next generation, look into all of us face and tell we little girl pitney them say it is okay for a grown-ass man to trash out a stool pan them. At this Jamaica reach. Jamaica gone to the dogs all when people like Dana Morris can't come turn education minister. We gone to the dog. Just think about that, my viewers and subscribers. When we say we have to vote, and vote tremendously this time, because if we not vote and elect back this man, we go imbold them a kind of peep. It go worse when we pitney them. We have to do what we have to do. We have to do our due diligence right now. We not there for the walk on every labor right platform to go preach the gospel to them. No, you don't need to go preach no gospel to no labor right. We are at a point in time now where it's either you're in or you're out. Alright, let's say that. If you are independent at this time in your life, if you see what Andrew Holness do for the past 9 years and you are still independent, stay independent, man. You are labor right and you see what Andrew Holness do for the past 9 years. Stay your labor right, because if at this point, for your mind not make up yet, you are alien or something. Alright, that's why them my viewers and subscribers. The Ministry of Education double down on the Jamaica Labour Party decision to readmit George Wright, the woman beater, And they can tell we about redemption is important. Redemption is important, but not in this case when you see a grown-ass man. And even if you did have sympathy for him before, the position that you have now as the Minister of Education, you would have to throw that sympathy out the window because you have pitney, they look upon you. We little girl pitney them, you are tell them say it is okay. If you go out, they go make a man box them up and kick them up. Beat them with machete, beat them with stool. At that Dana Morris I tell them it is okay. It is okay. It is fine. Because George Wright now becomes the Holy One. Sanctified, born again. Brand new creature. We have to get rid of them Jamaica. And when we talk, we don't talk with water out our mouth, you know. We're serious as the day we born. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me no they have to spend long on that one. You don't know much o'clock already. Aromatic Realistic TV. Follow the thing over YouTube. And that we tell you from day one. Like up the thing them and share the thing them. Because no for no go on like no finger them deform. Or no finger them can't move. You feel me? We continue to tell the mass that the signature word, it never change, it remain. Art of love. Until then, you know, and the Matic will chat again. The man telling you peace and love. The man is out.